Okay, class, when we say standard form of linear equation, so this is can be written in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are all real number, and a and b is not equal to 0. Okay, a and b is our coefficient, meaning si a at si b, ito yung mga number na kung saan may katabing variable, and then si letter c ang ating constant. Now, how to rewrite the given standard form to slope-intercept form? Okay, we're going to follow the 3 steps. Okay, step 1, we need to transfer out the value of ax to the right side of the equation. Based on the given, what is ax? Ax commonly is the first term of the given equation. Okay, example I have here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Based on the given, what is ax? Or what is the value? Okay, we have 2x. So what we're going to do is, we need to transpose 2x to the right side of the equation. Okay, which is sa harap dapat ng constant. Ano ba ang ating constant? Okay, if we're going to transpose 2x to the right side, at tumalon ka sa equal sign, mababago ang kanyang sign. So, kung si positive 2x, magiging, okay, so anong gagawin natin kay 3y? Okay, just bring down lang yan. We have 3y is equal to, okay, transpose 2x, what will be the sign? Okay, negative 2x plus, tandaan, kapag si constant ay walang sign or wala kayong sign na nakita, ibig sabihin ito ay positive. Kapag naman negative, magiging subtraction na ang operation. Do you understand? Okay, now let us proceed by step 2. Okay, step 2 is, we need to divide both sides of the equation by the numerical coefficient of y. Bakit natin kailangan i-divide sa numerical coefficient ng y? Kasi po, sa ating slope-intercept, ang numerical coefficient ng y dapat ay laging 1 lang. At dapat ito ay laging positive. Based on the given, what is the numerical coefficient of y? Okay, so 3. We need to cancel 3. So what we're going to do, just divide both sides of the equation by 3. And then 3y divided by 3 or just simply cancel, bring down y. Ano na ang numerical coefficient? Kailangan 1 at positive. Naintindihan? Okay, is equal to negative 2x over 3. Do you think we can divide? Okay, if no na, just bring down. Negative 2 third x plus, simplify. Do you think we can divide? Yes, so 9 divided by 3. Okay, therefore the answer is y is equal to negative 2 third x plus 3. Based on the given, what is the slope? What is the value of m? Okay, our slope is negative 2 thirds. And what is the y-intercept? 3. Okay. Any question?